Okay, so Kate, tell us a little bit more about your performance, PORTH. What can we look forward to, and where did your ideas come from?
So PORTH is a commission from Pontio to make a vertical dance piece on the exterior wall of Pontio for the GwleddSYRCAS. We came up with the name PORTH because it means port, which references Bangor as a port, but it also means doorway and threshold, and portal, which for me was an exciting idea to work with, the idea that you have portals into other worlds. And so referencing Bangor as an urban city sandwiched between the mountains and the sea was an idea I wanted to work with. So I then wanted to also, as it's a circus festival, work with some fantastical characters. So there are 3 dancers who are sort of Firebird Phoenix characters, and I've been working with a costume designer, Dyma, who's from North Wales but partly based in Norway, and she's designed some wings for us to wear which look like they're flaming. Another exciting aspect of the project is collaborating with OD Vision, a student company emerging out of the Guildhall School in London. So we've been working together on 3D projections. They do projection mapping, which will be onto the wall of the Pontio building that we'll move through. So, for example, these Firebird characters can fly across forests and set fire to them with their flaming wings, or they can jump away from the wall and land with a splash in water. And I've also been working with local composer Rob Spall, who is writing music inspired, very cinematic music inspired by the music of Hans Zimmer, who wrote music for the Batman films, so it should be very exciting and cinematic.
Great, so when's all this happening, and when can the public sort of get to see this show?
So the performances are on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th of July at 10 p.m. The show lasts about 10 minutes, so it's very short and intense. And finally, just to say something about the dancers, myself from Vertical Dyma Kate Lawrence, based in North Wales, Julia Taff from Vancouver, who is also a vertical dance specialist, and Lindsay Butcher from Gravity and Levity, based in Brighton.
Great, so we all look forward to seeing this wonderful performance at Pontio very soon. Thanks very much.
No worries.